welcome back. This garden season has been crazy. Look at that. That's literally steam coming off the street because it was so hot. And when it rained, all the steam is rising from the road. That's how hot it was. It's been raining like crazy. This video is actually from back in the garden video itself is from back in June. So I've been traveling, working, traveling. So I've been away from my garden quite a bit. And look at all that steam coming off the road. Look at that. But my poor plants, it's been so inundated with water, like it's been raining every day. So I'm not even sure if they're going through a root rot or not. This picture right here is actually after the rain, and I had a bloom, so I wanted to show you guys. So I inserted it real quickly. But look at those big red flower. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. I love it. And it's bigger than my palm. That is insane. Look at that. That is so pretty. Wow. I love it. And I have another one. I'm waiting for it to bloom. But yeah, so back to the video. It's either been raining every day or it's been 100+ degree weather. So a lot of my plants are actually feeling the heat and also being waterlogged. And for my petunias, I know a lot of people are in zone 9, like myself, as well as in Florida. And we have not just rain, we have crazy heat, plus we have humidity. And a lot of plants do not do well in in our humid temperatures here in Florida. So the super petunias, I haven't gotten a chance to fertilize them. I would say it's been about a month, so I know they're going to suffer. I need to come in and cut them back and try fertilizing it, but it has been so hot that at times I am home, I haven't been able to actually get out there and do any watering or fertilizing, and it's been raining crazy, like crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to jump in because I know I have been away from you guys and give you a quick update to let you see what the garden is looking like. We have our patriotic theme still going. The petunias are struggling. The hydrangeas are struggling. So this is my other limelight hydrangea. They haven't bloomed as yet, and I think because I put them in the ground so late, but I'm sure probably next year I'll have some blooms, so I'm excited for that. Look at my, oh wow, salvias, look at that. It is huge. It's been blooming like crazy. There's so many bees being attracted to it, even butterflies. So I've been loving the flowers. Look at that. These are burnt. Like you see the leaves, they're getting brown. They're getting burnt. But I've been loving all the, wow, look at that. These are so beautiful. But my petunias in the pot, those are drying up. Surprisingly, I thought these junipers were going to start getting brown because they've been in the sun, but they've been doing good. They've been doing good. So here's a quick overview shot of what it looks like. The weeds have taken over as well because of the rain. They have been loving their life and been going crazy. I need to stop listening to Moya's channel because I promise you, ever since I started listening to Garden Addicts, and she keeps saying loving life, I've been saying loving life like crazy. But look at all this dead spots in here. They're not doing too well, guys. They're not doing too well. And I'm actually outside and it's still raining and there's thunder going like crazy. So, but I just wanted to capture some of this and give you guys an idea of what's been going on. But they're getting watered, and my garden's struggling. Look at the lemon crocea. They're doing good. They're loving their life, so they're doing good. Some plants are loving the heat and the rain, and some of them aren't.